I have a very simple crypto investing plan for you. I'm going to share with you in this video. So if you had 5,000 to put into crypto and you're trying to figure out what to buy, that's what I'm going to cover. Now, obviously the amounts are different. Let's say you have 1,000, 2,000, 10. Doesn't really matter the amount because the percentages and what I'm going to point out and what I'm going to share with you is applicable either way. Okay. Obviously, up front, this is not investing advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do what's right for you. But this is what I own and this is what I would buy. All right, let's get into this. So, two things: like and subscribe. Hit those buttons, please. All right. So, here's what I've got. So, we're going to go with the analogy that you have $5,000 that you want to buy. Okay. Worth of crypto, and you don't know what to buy. And so, I'm a big believer in diversification. What does that mean? That means I don't go all in. I don't go all in on one single crypto. The reason is diversify, spread your risk, right? Own different cryptos. That's what you need to really know. And that's a key to investing. It's what I've been doing in stock investing for 30 plus years. See the gray hair if you can right there, Okay. So here we go. All right. So 5,000, very simple. 50% of that into Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to do 25% and 25%, doesn't really matter. I'm a big believer in 50% of your portfolio goes into these two guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum right here. The reason is this number right here, dominance. Bitcoin 51%, Ethereum 16%, almost 70%. So what is that? 67, 68%. So 68% of the entire crypto market capitalization is made up of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And by the way, Bitcoin makes up 51% of that. Okay. So 50% in the big guys, the big ones, the ones that are out there, the ones that everybody knows about, et cetera. Okay. Also, I want to point out something else. Part of my strategy is this. It is a diversification strategy. Now, but also part of it is that if you look at Bitcoin as an example, Bitcoin, everybody agrees is going to go to probably north of 100,000, and let's just say 120,000 plus. Well, we're currently at 41,000, and for Bitcoin to go to 120,000, that's a 3x from right here. So if you put 1,000 into Bitcoin, it's going to 3x. It's going to go up 3 times, right? Now, that's a great return on investment, and I'm not minimizing that, but I'm pointing out that that's a 3x. Ethereum, everybody readily agrees is going to go to 14,000 plus. That's almost a 7x. So you kind of see where I'm going with this is that Bitcoin's already had its major run. Now, I'm not taking away from Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I own Bitcoin, but I'm talking about just looking at the 3x or the 7x or the 10x, 20x, 30x potential. Moving on. So 50% of your 5,000 goes into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, keyword here is diversification. Okay. Then I would buy some XRP. Now, as far as percentages go here, it's up to you. Okay. So I would say that from 50% is Bitcoin and Ethereum. The other 30% chunk, you're going to spread it among the other top altcoins that you really like. And I'm going to give you the ones that I like. I like XRP. I like Solana. I like Cardano. Avalanche has been on a tear. Polkadot, Chainlink, Polygon. My point is, all of these are good. Okay. All of these are good and they're going to move. They're going to move up dramatically and they all have higher X opportunities. Cardano, everybody pretty much readily agrees north of $10. Well, that's, literally almost a 20X from where it's at right now, if not higher for Cardano as an example. Solana, XRP, and so forth. Okay. So notice I skipped over Dogecoin. I'm not taking anything away from Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. I think that if you like community meme tokens, they could be part of your portfolio. Okay. Some people just want to do the blue chips and things like that. So that was 80%. Spread it around among these top cryptos. Okay. The other 20%, here's what I would tell you. The other 20%, it's kind of up to you. It's whether or not you want to leave it in stablecoin, or rather really basically cash to take advantage of opportunities, because there are other opportunities out there. Like, for example, you've got let me show you a couple other ones that I like. You've got Caspa. Let me show you this one. Okay. So you've got other ones that are moving up, right? So you've got Caspa. Okay. That's another one that's at number 35. I just skipped over it, but it was there, number 35. You've got these ones that are in the top 100, but they're starting to really kind of move up. You got Caspa. Another one that I like is I bought the other day was Beam. So right here, Beam is in number 75. Again, it's actually on a little bit of a move down right now. Beam, and here's what I'm saying: these are the ones that you might want to look at, and you throw a little bit at these. They're in the top 100, but they're up and coming. Okay, so final thought here. Here's what I would say. So that's 5,000. That's it, guys. Okay, that's all you got to do. So beyond that, the 5,000, have a plan to take profits. Have a plan for each for overall. Hey, I want to make 30% on my Bitcoin or my Ethereum or my entire portfolio. I want to make 30%. So sell along the way to have a profit plan. Beyond that, DCA in if you want to, dollar cost average in. I have friends, and I do this as well. Friends and family and associates, they basically buy Bitcoin and Ethereum every day. They put like $50 in. So they have a draft set up like on Coinbase or crypto, where every day it hits their bank account and it takes out like $50. And then it puts 25 into Bitcoin and 25 into Ethereum, or you can use it. You can go into anything that you can buy via that exchange. So that's another thing that could help you just always be in and always be buying after you've got this core kind of base. You've spent 5,000 or 10,000 on your portfolio. That's all I have for you on this one. Have a good one. Hopefully you got some value out of this. I'll see you. Bye.